Welcome back to the Cromwell Belden Public Library's Virtual Writers Workshop. It is week 8. Pat yourself on the back. You've been doing a lot of writing. And this week, as I mentioned, we're going to talk about technique. All right, so all of our prompts will help you find your writer's voice. So here's the idea. What I'm going to have you do is I want you to pick a character, your main character. Think about a main character, and I want you for this main character to pick a major life event that is happening or about to happen. So it could be marriage, birth, death in the family, new job, new house. You got the idea. Or it could be something really traumatic and huge, okay? Like, I don't know, a major disaster. All right. Once you've picked that, I want you to find a person or an event that is going to make your character feel uneasy about this major life event that is occurring or about to occur. All right? I'm going to give you 25 minutes to write this. In 3, 2, 1. Good job, you just wrote a complete story. It had a beginning, it had a middle, and an end. See how easy it was to get to form? But it's a little harder to get to your writer's voice. How do you do that? Well, 2 things. You gotta pick a mood, and you gotta pick a tone. So the mood I'm picking out for you right now is foreboding, or you could say trepidatious. All right, mood is the emotional quality. When the reader reads your book, this is what they feel. All right, tone. The tone is going to be almost the complete opposite. It's going to be humorous, sardonic. All right. If you're wondering, how do I get that? What is a good example of that? Well, about 2 weeks ago, I gave you sentence prompts from Neil Gaiman's Neverwhere. His prologue is definitely foreboding in the mood, and the tone is humorous. Another example, The Lust Lizard of Melancholy Cove by Christopher Moore. Both books you can download, audio. You should definitely listen to it, audio versions of these books through Hoopla. So free downloads with your Cromwell Belden library card, okay? I want you to rewrite that story you just wrote, thinking of the mood is foreboding and the tone, what is it? Humorous. Very good. 25 minutes in 3, 2, 1. You are done with week 8, but you are not going to stop writing. Oh no. You're going to try to write every day. So we wrote for 50 minutes today. Good job. Next week, we're also going to write for 50 minutes. It's going to be the similar format, completely different author. If you're wondering which author and what genre, well, I took sentence prompts from Neil Gaiman's Neverwhere, and the next week, I took sentence prompts from... That's what we're going to use next week, okay? Meanwhile, I also want you to find 1 or 2 books that are in the genre that you want to write in, okay? That's going to be really important as we get closer and closer to August, and especially as we get to our marathon writing session the last Saturday in August. All right? Good job. Keep writing. See you later.